Alright, so the more I play with Canva, the more I'm actually enjoying it. So this is a template that basically I found in the Canva template, and I just want to share with you. So it's a simple template. Okay, nothing exciting. Okay, terrific. Yep, okay, great. And you can adjust these as you want. You can make these longer. So let's make these longer, because I'm going to show you something in a minute that I think is really going to excite you. So let's say we take that and we make that longer. That's fine. I think that should be fine. I'm just going to make that short. No, I'll leave that long. Okay, what I love about it is you can actually go into Elements and you can actually find some audio. So if I go into audio, I can actually either generate AI audio or use one of these existing ones. I actually like this one here, so I'm going to shift it down here. Now you notice it may be shorter or longer, so you may need to adjust it accordingly. And one of the things I love about it here is you can actually sync it and fade out in the end. Okay, there you go. And so now if I play this, let's go, terrific, let's go back to the beginning. And let's play it. Okay, that's all terrific. Now, why am I showing you this? Well, one of the other features I love about it is this thing called bulk. So what we do is I love the video here. I'm going to upload something that I created through ChatGPT's post for LinkedIn, and it gives me all this information here. So what I want to do now is I actually want to link the content to this. So let's say we go down here. I come down here and I can connect to the data, and I connect to these exact same spreadsheets here. In this case here I've got the heading. This one here on the second page here, I've linked that to the content. Okay, and so let's say the third page here, the subheading here, I can link that to the CTA. Okay, which I've got a CTA here, not sure where to start, and the actual link itself is in the first column. So I've just connected that to say link in the first column, and it'll just replace that with whatever is in that field there, link in the first column. So if I just go down, okay, and there's just marketing with AI. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to advanced, and below, you can't see it, below continues AI. I'm going to create 10 individual designs, okay, and I'm going to put it into a folder. I can put it in any folder. So here I've got a folder called there, so I know exactly where I put it. Okay, and the naming convention, this is what I love about this is, so I created a column that says, hey, tell me what social channels, what day and what time. And that way if I hand it over to one of the team members, they know exactly when to do it. So in case you schedule slot column, okay, click on that, there you go, it's LinkedIn Tuesday at 11 a.m. If I click on continue, and then I go generate these 10 designs, because I've asked for 10, and then I click on the view folder, and these are the 10 designs. Look how fast that was. Okay, and let's go through one of them. Let's just pick one. And you don't have to do individually, you can all have them in the one design, but let's just pick one. And let's start it. Do you notice how it faded out? So just want to share that with you.